In this video, we listed the 5 best mechanical keyboard on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. YUNZII RT75 Keyboard. The YUNZII RT75 is an innovative wired mechanical keyboard featuring a compact 75% layout with 82 keys and a volume knob. It utilizes high-quality double-shot PBT keycaps and south-facing RGB lighting, making it both durable and visually appealing. The keyboard is designed with rapid trigger magnetic switches that operate through the Hall effect, offering an impressive actuation range of 0.1 to 0.4 mm and an adjustable precision of 0.1 mm for enhanced responsiveness. With a polling rate of 1000 Hz and a structure that is gasket mounted, it provides a smooth typing experience with no key ghosting, NKRO. The RT75 is compatible with both Windows and Mac systems and allows for customization through web software. It is CE, FCC, RoHS, and WEEE certified, ensuring compliance with global safety and environmental standards. The keyboard comes in a sleek deep gray color, measuring approximately 334.4 mm by 143.6 mm by 41.65 mm, making it an excellent choice for desktop and laptop users seeking a reliable and stylish input device. Number 2. YUNZII B75 PRO Keyboard. The YUNZII B75 PRO is a versatile and stylish knob mechanical keyboard designed for various applications, including desktop and laptop use. It features a compact 75% layout with 82 keys, complemented by a multifunctional knob. Available in multiple color options like gray, black, purple, and dark gray, it uses high-quality double-shot PBT plastic keycaps for durability and a premium feel. The keyboard supports hot swappable switches, offering users the choice of YUNZII Milk Linea, Cocoa Cream V2 Linea, or Blue-Gray tactile switches. Its innovative gasket-mounted structure enhances typing comfort, while a robust 4000 mAh battery allows for wired Type-C, Bluetooth, or 2.4 GHz wireless connections. With a sleek design measuring 334.4 mm x 143.6 mm x 42.15 mm and weighing 907 g, it combines aesthetics with functionality, featuring customizable RGB lighting and full N-key rollover for a responsive typing experience. Number 3. Redragon K618 Keyboard. The Redragon K618 is a versatile mechanical keyboard designed for an enhanced user experience, featuring innovative 3-mode connection technology that includes USB-C wired, Bluetooth 3.0, 5.0, and 2.4 GHz wireless options, ensuring seamless connectivity with various devices such as desktops, laptops, tablets, and numpads. Its ultra-thin profile and low-profile mechanical red switches, requiring only a 40G actuation force, minimize the distance to actuation for quicker response times. The keyboard comes equipped with 4 macro keys for convenience and media control, facilitating easy access without the need for additional software. With customizable 16.8 million color backlighting and remappable keys supported by the Redragon core software, users can personalize their setups to their liking. The package includes a USB cable, a keycap, switch puller, and spare switches, while a comprehensive after-sales policy ensures replacement or repair for issues such as receiving the wrong product, quality problems, or fake items. Overall, the K618 combines practicality, functionality, and customizable features, making it a worthy addition for gamers and professionals alike. Number 4. EPOMAKER RT100 Keyboard. The EPOMAKER RT100 is a full-sized wired mechanical keyboard designed for both desktop and laptop use, featuring 94 keys and a standard layout. Constructed with high-concerned PBT plastic keycaps, it utilizes a keycap printing technique known as double shot to ensure durability and clarity in design. Its design incorporates a hot swap switch feature, allowing users to easily customize their typing experience. The keyboard supports multicolored backlighting, enhancing visual appeal during use, while the interface is USB-based for straightforward connectivity. Notably, the RT100 does not come with wrist support and is intended for English language applications. Users can access a detailed user manual in PDF format for guidance. Originating from mainland China, this keyboard caters to various devices, including desktops, laptops, numbers, and tablets. Number 5. SKYLOONG GK104 Pro. The SKYLOONG GK104 Pro is a high-performance full-size mechanical keyboard designed for versatility and customization, featuring a sleek design and an array of functional features. It offers a 3-mode connectivity system, allowing seamless switching between Bluetooth 5.1, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired modes, making it suitable for various devices. Users can enhance their workflow with 3 programmable macro knobs and a dual 2.0-inch LCD screen that facilitates customization and typing tests. The keyboard is equipped with hot-swappable silent switches, enabling easy personalization of the typing experience. An impressive 8000 mAh battery ensures extended usage without the hassle of frequent recharging. Available in multiple colors, including Twilight Cherry, the SKYLOONG GK104 Pro has garnered positive reviews and significant sales, reflecting its appeal to mechanical keyboard enthusiasts.